So this is my PC that I built over the summer. I had it open because I'm installing some Wi-Fi thing today, so I just figured I'd show you guys. It is all plugged into a MSI B550A Pro and powered by a Ryzen 7. It's a 5800X for the core, and it has a RTX 3050 for the graphics card, and the AMD cooler up there on the core. This is the Wi-Fi thing. It also has Bluetooth, which is really nice, so I'm plugging that in, giving it a shot. But yeah, I just had it all open today for it, so I figured I would tell you guys. Let me know if you want to know more about it.